I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable workout auto detect alerts on your Galaxy Fit 3. So these are basically alerts every time your Galaxy Fit 3 detects that you're doing a workout. Instead of just recording, it's going to also alert you that it has noticed that you're working out. So to enable and disable those alerts, swipe up to go to the app screen and then go to settings. Under settings, go to Samsung Health, tap on that. Under Samsung Health, you should see auto detect workouts. So that has to be enabled first. And with that enabled, you can tap on those blue links there and then scroll down through the list of workouts. At the bottom, you should see alert. So currently it's enabled, which means every time your Galaxy Fit 3 detects that you're working out, it's going to alert you. And then you can turn that off. Now, when you turn it off, it's still going to detect that you're working out and even record the workout without alerting you. So that's how to enable and disable that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.